Yawning, it's nature's universal signal for I'm bored, tired, or just feeling awkward. Almost every animal with a spine does it, but for wildly different reasons. Penguins yawn to flirt, smooth. Snakes yawn to fix their jaws post-meal, and guinea pigs, they yawn to show they're mad. Humans, though, add an extra layer of mystery. Why do we yawn? And why is it so darn contagious? Let's crack open the science of this oddly fascinating phenomenon. Yawning, a lifelong reflex. Did you know that the first time you yawned was likely before you were even born? Researchers have observed fetuses yawning as early as the second trimester of pregnancy. Although the precise reason remains unclear, it's believed that yawning may play a role in brain development during this critical phase. For adults, yawning was once thought to serve as a mechanism to draw in more oxygen and reduce tiredness. However, recent studies suggest that this explanation might not be accurate. Instead, scientists now propose that yawning serves as a physiological method to cool the brain. Cooling the brain through yawning. Much like a computer operates most efficiently at an optimal temperature, the human brain also functions best when it stays cool. Yawning increases heart rate, blood flow, and facial muscle activity, all of which contribute to lowering brain temperature. Additionally, taking in a deep breath of cool air during a yawn can alter the temperature of the blood circulating in the head, helping the brain maintain its ideal operating conditions. So, what causes the brain to overheat in the first place? Exhaustion and sleep deprivation are key factors that elevate brain temperature. This connection explains why yawning tends to occur more frequently when we're tired or struggling to stay awake. In one study, participants who placed warm packs on their heads yawned significantly more often, 41% of the time, compared to just 9% when cold packs were used. This finding reinforces the idea that yawning is tied to regulating brain temperature. Essentially, a hot-headed brain might trigger more frequent yawns. The mystery of contagious yawning. Beyond its physiological purpose, yawning has a fascinating social aspect. It's contagious. If you've ever felt the urge to yawn after seeing someone else do it, you're not alone. This phenomenon, known as contagious yawning, is observed in humans, primates, and even dogs. But what makes yawning so infectious? Scientists believe it's rooted in empathy and social bonding. Contagious yawning typically begins in humans around the ages of 4 to 5, which coincides with the development of empathetic behaviors and emotional recognition. Interestingly, children with empathy-related disorders, such as autism, tend to yawn less in response to videos of others yawning. This suggests a strong link between empathy and the contagious nature of yawning. Moreover, research has shown that people are more likely to mimic the yawns of individuals with whom they share a close social or genetic bond. For example, a dog is more likely to copy its owner's yawn than that of a stranger. This behavior highlights the role of social connections in triggering contagious yawning. The role of mirror neurons. Mirror neurons, specialized brain cells, play a significant role in contagious yawning. These neurons activate when we perform a specific action, observe someone else performing the action, or even hear someone talking about it. They are essential for learning, self-awareness, and understanding others' emotions. When you see someone yawn, the mirror neurons in your brain fire in a way that mirrors their action. This activation can lead to an involuntary yawn, as your brain effectively copies the behavior it observes. This phenomenon is a testament to the intricate ways in which our brains process social cues and connect with others. Yawning across the animal kingdom. Yawning isn't just a human trait, it's a widespread behavior across the animal kingdom. For penguins, yawning serves as a mating ritual, signaling interest to potential partners. In snakes, yawning is a functional necessity, helping them realign their jaws after a meal. Guinea pigs, on the other hand, use yawning as a display of aggression or dominance. These examples illustrate how yawning has evolved to serve different purposes in various species. Interestingly, even contagious yawning isn't unique to humans. Dogs, for instance, are known to mimic the yawns of their owners. This behavior further emphasizes the link between yawning and social bonding, as it appears to strengthen the connection between individuals, even across species. Debunking common myths about yawning. One of the most pervasive myths about yawning is that it's simply a way to draw in more oxygen when we're feeling tired. While this theory may seem logical, modern research has debunked it. Studies have shown that increased oxygen intake doesn't necessarily reduce the frequency of yawning. Instead, the cooling brain hypothesis has gained more scientific support. Another misconception is that yawning only occurs when we're bored or sleepy. While these states can increase the likelihood of yawning, they aren't the sole triggers. Yawning can also be a response to changes in temperature, physical exertion, or even heightened alertness. Yawning as a social signal. In addition to its physiological and empathetic functions, yawning may also serve as a social signal. Some researchers believe that yawning helps synchronize group behavior, particularly in social animals. For example, a group of primates might yawn together as a way to signal rest or relaxation, fostering group cohesion. In humans, contagious yawning could have evolved as a way to strengthen social bonds and enhance communication. By mirroring the actions of others, individuals may build trust and rapport, creating a sense of unity within the group. Practical implications of yawning research. The study of yawning extends beyond satisfying scientific curiosity and holds real-world applications across various fields. One significant implication is in the realm of neuroscience and medical research, where understanding yawning's role in brain cooling could inspire new methods for managing conditions linked to neurological stress or overheating. For example, patients with brain injuries, migraines, or even epilepsy might benefit from therapies that mimic or enhance the cooling effects associated with yawning. In psychology and behavioral sciences, yawning research sheds light on the connections between empathy and social behaviors. The link between contagious yawning and empathy offers potential insights into disorders like autism or other conditions affecting social and emotional interactions. Therapists and researchers could use this understanding to develop interventions that improve social bonding or empathy-related skills. Yawning may also serve as a diagnostic tool, since excessive yawning can indicate underlying issues such as sleep disorders, stress, or even neurological diseases. Studying this reflex could help healthcare professionals identify early warning signs of such conditions. Monitoring yawning frequency and patterns might become a non-invasive way to assess patient health. In the workplace, insights into yawning might help address issues of productivity and focus. Understanding how fatigue and overheating affect brain function could lead to innovations in workplace design, such as better climate control or structured breaks, to enhance employee well-being and efficiency. How to reduce yawning. If you find yourself yawning excessively, there are several effective strategies you can implement to reduce its frequency. One of the simplest ways is to keep your head cool. Applying a cold compress to your forehead or spending time in a cool, well-ventilated environment can help lower brain temperature, which is believed to be a primary trigger for yawning. Additionally, staying well-rested is crucial. Fatigue and sleep deprivation are common causes of frequent yawning, so ensuring you get adequate rest each night can make a significant difference. Finally, paying attention to your overall health by maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress can create conditions that reduce excessive yawning and promote better well-being. Embracing the science of yawning. Yawning may seem like a simple reflex, but it's surprisingly complex and fascinating. Beyond cooling the brain, it reveals our intricate physiological needs and capacity for social bonding. Contagious yawning, in particular, highlights empathy and the subtle ways we connect with others. It's a reminder of how intertwined we are with the people and creatures around us, even through small actions. So, the next time you yawn, or see someone else do it, and if you made it here without yawning, you're officially in the rare yawn-resistant club. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far without yawning, congrats, you're officially a superhero of self-control. But if you did yawn well, welcome to the club. We're all in this together. Don't forget to cool your brain with a like, stretch your empathy with a comment, and keep the contagious vibes going by subscribing for more. Until next time, stay cool and keep yawning stylishly.